tasty ham. Oven roasted turkey breast, topped with a classic taste of oddness.
Would you have any Grey Poupon?
But of course, introducing Subway's new turkey and ham Dijon. Turkey, ham, and the great taste of Grey Poupon mustard. Now for a limited time on your choice of rolls at Subway, the place where fresh is the taste.
Authorities, in coordination with emergency alert system participants, including broadcast, cable, satellite, and wireline participants in your area. Had this been an actual emergency, the attention signal you just heard would have been followed by emergency information, news, or instructions. This is only a test. We now return you to regular programming.
This is a test. There's no actual emergency.